Myself Mahendra DM, CSCB and Cambridge Institute of Technology. First, data analysis. Data analysis means data analysis is a process of examination, cleaning and transforming and interpreting the data to discover the useful information and pattern. Why you need to analyze the data? Because first, the inciting the generation for problem solving, you need to analyze the data. For optimization, you need to analyze the data. Prediction and forecasting and risk management, performance evaluation and competitive advantage and evidence based on decision making. And I choose a cancer death rate analysis dataset from Kaggle. And objectives, the primary objective is analyze the cancer death rates and identify the trends and patterns in cancer. And here is the code to import the data. And here this shows the number of rows and columns. And df.shape. And first, distribution plots in Fundas and created using like Seaborn, Matplot and commonly used to analyze the data for several reasons. And distribution plots are also used to visualize the data distribution and identifies the patterns and trends, detecting the outliers and accessing the data quality and comparing the distribution and communicating insights. And here is the code to import the data distribution. And Seaborn is amazing visualization library, statistical graphics and plotting in Python, and also it provides the beautiful styles and color palettes to make the statistical plots are attractive, and also it is built one of the top of the Matplot library and also close to integrate the data structures in Pandas. And here is the graph for distribution plot. Next, scatter plots as data, it is used to analyze the visually explore the relation between the two numerical variables, and also uses for identifying the patterns and correlation assessments and model validation and data distribution visualization and trend identification and communication. And here is scatter plot for variable and learn value and the density of the data. Pair plot in Pandas creating using the pair plot function from Seaborn library, and it is also used for several reasons. Here is the reasons: visualizing the relationships, identifying the patterns, and correlation analysis, and diagnostic tools, and feature selections, and exploratory data analysis. Here is the pair plot graph, box plot also known as box and commonly used to data analysis. And next, several reasons identifies the outliers and comparison between the two groups, detection for skewness, robust outliners, and Python Pandas library box plots easily generated by using .box plot function. Here is the visualization of box plot. And point plot. Point plots in Pandas useful tool for visualizing the relationship between the two variables. It's particularly effective to show the mean of one variable changes across the levels of another categorical variable. Point plot commonly used to highlighting the variability, clear presentation, stability of the categorical data, ease of categorical data, and ease of implementation, customization of options. Here is the graph of point plot. Next, joint plot. Joint plot is specially designed for visualizing the relationship between the two numerical values and also used for exploring the relationships, identify the patterns, assessing correlations, handling the multivariable data, and facilitating the comparison, and also used as a diagnostic tool. Here is the picture of joint graph. Next, bar plot. Bar plot, Pandas commonly used to data analyze the visualizing categorical data or comparing the quantity across the different categories They are particularly useful to display the frequency of categorical variables, visualizing the distributions, communicating insights, and identifies the anomalies. Next, rugplot is also from Seaborn library. Rugplot primarily used to depict the distribution between single numerical variables and also used for data distribution and complement to other plots and outlier detection and data exploration and easy comparison and simple implementation. And heatmap also is a graphical representation of the data where individual value contain a matrix representation as a colors, and it's a particularly visualizing the relationship between two categorical variables and two dimension of data set, and also used for identifying the patterns, visualizing the relationships, comparing the categories, visualizing the confusion matrices, and customization and interpretation. And heat maps are the very powerful tools in data analysis, and because they provide visually and intuitive way to explore to understand the complex data sets, relationships and patterns. Here is the representation in heat map. Next, histograms. Histograms are indisputable tools in data analysis for different purposes. Understanding the data distributions, identifying the outliers, accessing the data quality, marketing data-driven decisions, and for example, to make the adjusting the marketing strategies based on the distribution of the customer, to optimize the manufacturing process, also uses histograms. Bootstrap plots. Bootstrap is also a very wonderful visualization tool in data analysis, particularly the statistical analysis. It is also used to estimate the confidence intervals, and bootstrap plots allows the analytics to visualize the variability of the parameters, robust analysis, understanding the robust statistical estimations, and also model visualization. At the end of conclusion, the future importance of data analysis is unbelievable. It plays a very crucial role in shaping of aspects of society and business, science, and driving the innovation and efficiency. Thank you for your attention. Special thanks to Prasad sir.